All right, guys, we're doing a 23-24 Prizm Basketball Blaster, Ram Teams Box Break 13. Thank you for joining in. Thank you guys again for your support of Firehand Cards. We appreciate you guys very much. The last 5 spots in our next break, which is this one here, Noir 2 box number 8, will be awarded out in this box break here. Roll the die determines how many times we randomize the list of participants and teams for the Prizm box. Then we'll open up the box, show off the goods, and then back to the randomizer for 3 additional clicks to determine who gets the last Noir spots coming up next. Good luck. Here we go. 4 clicks. All right. Greg Bottom, the 1-1 up top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Justin Dalkey, top. B Mark, bottom. Thanks, JD. Same to you, man. Blazers top, Wizards bottom. 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Warriors top, Grizzlies bottom. Alright. B-Mark, Hornets and Grizzlies. CB MacG, Magic. Jaw Rock, Blazers, Thunder, Pistons, Cavaliers, Clippers, Kings, and Jazz. Jason Chung, Celtics, Nuggets. Justin Dalkey, Warriors, Wizards. Cougar Ringo, 5, Lakers. Matthew R. Gayhart, Pacers, Nets, and Heat. Robert F. Runkle, Raptors, Hawks, Pelicans. What else? Sack, Mavericks, Rockets, and Spurs. Greg, Bucks, Knicks, and Sixers. The 1-1, Bulls, Timberwolves. Webb Jr., Suns. All right, those are your squads for this box. Good luck. Okay, here we go. Kenny Martin Jr. for the Clippers, green. Hendricks, rookie. Karis Leverett, ice. Podziemski, emergent. Trace Jackson Davis, rookie. Whoops. Joey Hauser, rookie. Anthony Black, instant impact. D'Angelo Russell, ice. Petrusev, rookie. Aaron Gordon, green. Keldon Johnson, ice. David Roddy, silver. Ray and Rupert, rookie. All right. Like Box Break 11, not much to write home about on that one. Box Break 12 was a little better. But most important thing about this break is the side action. 3 more clicks to the randomizer. After click number 3, the owners of the first 5 teams on the list get the last spots in Noir Basketball. 2 box Ram Teams 8, and that break is coming up next. 3 clicks, let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Thunder, Pistons, Timberwolves, Jazz, and Suns. All right, Ja Rock, Thunder, Detroit Pistons, Ja Rock, Minnesota Timberwolves, the 1-1. Little last team mojo on that one. Let's see who else. Utah Jazz, Ja Rock. And last team, Phoenix Suns, Webb Jr. Right. All right, guys, that will do it for Box Break 13. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for your support of Firehand. Congrats to those of you guys winning your way into Noir number 8. That 2-box break is coming up next.